Welcome back to another video. This one is going to be much shorter than the others, but nonetheless, I guess, interesting as well. A while back I bought a double masters display, which I wanted the opening, or let's say unboxing, to be the first video of my channel, but interestingly enough, there was no box topper in that display. So I got into contact with Wizards of the Coast. Wizards of the Coast. And they were extremely polite. And after verifying that I was eligible for a replacement, they sent me the content of this little package. So I wanted to share the opening of this with you. Alright, so let's see. Let's try not to damage whatever is inside. I hope this was enough. Looks like it. There we go. So, greetings. Nice. Still nice box topper. Hopefully it didn't get damaged. Thank you for your patience in this process. In class you will find replacement for your defective product. We apologize for the inconvenience this issue may have caused you. If you have any questions, please call or email us at your earliest convenience. Well, what can you say about that? It's a nice little dragon down there. Huh. Cool. Really cool. So let's find out what's inside. I can't get it out. Okay. Ooh. I'm so curious. Are you curious? I'm curious. Maybe I should not open it. I don't know. Too late. Which side is up? This. Okay. Okay, right away. Oh, this card looked damaged. No. Well, I guess we will see. We will see. And the first card is this one. And it is... oh god. What will it be? I don't know. We will find out in the next episode. No. And it is... ta-da! Wow! Academy Ruins. Nice. Awesome card. Academy Ruins. Really neat. Okay. And the other card will be Force of Will. Will it be a Cyclonic Rift? Will it be Cultivate? I don't know. And the answer is, it is. Ta-da! Yeah, Toxic Deluge. Awesome artwork from Richard Kane Ferguson. Look at that. Huh. Well. Awesome. Okay. Nice. Really nice. Yeah. So, that's that. And for the next video, if you were wondering why the hell is the name of this channel Third Dimension Magic, I have a little side project going on, and I've acquired a 3D printer, and went on and designed some deck boxes. So these move these aside so they don't get damaged if I drop one of these boxes. And these are the boxes that I'm making, and I'm trying to, I don't know if you recognize him, but if you don't, this is his or her name. I'm not too sure about the gender of this character. And this is the artwork, which I process and manage to produce on these boxes. And as you can see, it's a commander box. So here's your commander, and there's plenty of room inside for pretty much the complete deck, which is not complete as of yet, as you can see. And I also made sure that it is sealing tightly enough. The noise is a little bit annoying maybe. This is another one of the artworks that I've done, also saying the name of the commander. This one is a little bit of different design, but let's say earlier, but nonetheless, again, more than enough room for a complete deck, double sleeved, and all the tokens that you might need. So basically, rather reflective. I don't know if you can see it good enough. There's light everywhere, but not where I want it. So basically, this is how the box looks. We have him on the commander on both sides, and yeah. So I'll leave a link in the description below to the Etsy store that I'm running with these boxes, so check them out. If you have any special orders concerning the art that you want on top of on the boxes, I'm more than happy to help you with that as well. So still no fancy catchphrase. Guess see you in the next video.